हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज के वीडियो में आपने टाइटल से पढ़ लिया होगा। आई एम गोना रिकमेंड सम ऑफ माय फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम द नायका। अब तक आपको पता चल गया रहेगा कि नायका की हॉट पिंक सेल लाइव है एंड आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टू शेयर ऑल ऑफ माय फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आर ऑन अ ग्रेट डील। आज के वीडियो में मैं सिर्फ डिस्काउंटेड प्रोडक्ट्स जो बहुत अच्छे प्राइस डील पे मिल रहे हैं, आई एम गोना टॉक ऑन दोज प्रोडक्ट्स which are worth buying during this sale. Without making this intro more long, let's dive into the video. But if you are new to my channel, then hi, my name is Khwahish. I'm a makeup artist. I make makeup related content videos for you guys. If you are interested, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon below so that when I upload a video, you are notified. And now let's dive into the video. So let's start with the very first product. We have the viral product from the internet. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Tinted Serum. I love the concept of tint nowadays. आई फील फाउंडेशन आर सो हैवी और एवरीडे के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी मेकअप हो जाता है, वेर इज टिंट यू कैन अप्लाई इट एवरी सिंगल डे. दिस इज अ वेरी लाइट वेट टिंट. इट हैज़ अ वेरी गुड कवरेज. आई एम यूजिंग द शेड 5-6 मीडियम टिंट. इफ यू आर एन ऑफिस गोइंग गर्ल और आपको एक अच्छा सा कवरेज देने वाला प्रोडक्ट चाहिए फॉर योर बेस, I will highly recommend this one. It works wonders on your skin. 100% recommend. अगर आप कोई बेस अच्छा प्रोडक्ट ढूंढ रहे हो बेस के लिए, you should definitely check out this one. The next product that we have is again a foundation. It's the Tear Cushion Foundation. I love the concept of this cushion foundation. It's so high coverage. I love the packaging. It comes with a cute applicator. We have a mirror and then we have the foundation over here. It blends so beautifully into your skin. The only drawback is आपका shade match. Like you need to find out your perfect shade match. If you get your perfect shade match, आप बंद करके ले लीजिए because this is such a good investment. Like I have not seen yet a good high coverage foundation blending so beautifully and giving you that natural finish. आज भी मैंने यही foundation लगाया and look how seamlessly this just looks. I love this product. I will 100% recommend you if you really want to try out some new makeup products. This is the one you should definitely try out for yourself. And the last product from the base, we have this foundation from the Maybelline Superstay. I don't know how many times I've mentioned this product on my channel, but I love this foundation so much. It's worth investing. It is a very good lightweight formula foundation. It blends super easily into your skin. अगर आप beginner हो and if you are finding out a good foundation for yourself, I will highly recommend this one. It has a good medium to high coverage and also it has a great discount right now. 30 to 40% चल रहा है इस पे. It's a very good steal deal price. अगर आपको एक अच्छा foundation लेना है, check out this one. So the next products are the concealers. I love to put concealers. I feel the days when I don't put anything on my face, it's just the concealer to just give me the natural finish. The first one is my absolute favorite. You all know about this concealer. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. It's in the shade Caramel. This blends into my skin like a dream. It just blends so smoothly. Even with your hands, you can blend it out. It's such a good product. It has a good medium to high coverage. I love the formula. I love the finish. And 100% I will recommend you this product because it's such a good product. And also this was at a great discount price. You can check out for yourself. आँख बंद करके ये product ले लो. The next is this L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. If you really want to invest in a good high coverage concealer जो बिल्कुल crease नहीं करता है, it looks fabulous, it blends easily. This one is the one. If you are looking for a good brightening concealer, I feel this one is my go-to concealer. It's so good. It gives me that flawless finish. I highly recommend you to buy this one if you're looking forward to buy a good hydrating concealer but has a good coverage. And the last concealer that I have to recommend is from the Too Faced. It's their Born This Way concealer. Now I know this is expensive, but it's worth your money. I love the finish of this concealer. It just blends so beautifully. आज भी मैंने यही concealer लगाया है. I love the fact that this is a full coverage concealer, yet it is so hydrating. I mean, when I splurge so much on a product, I feel it should work like a pro. And this particular product does the great job. अगर आप कोई luxury makeup में invest करना चाहते हो, especially in concealer, I will highly recommend you to buy this one. एक बार try करो. I mean, it's so good. You will fall in love with this. Moving on to the next product, we have the Mua NARS favorite eyeliner. This is from the Maybelline. It's that tattoo liner. Everyone loves to put this liner. Look how precise this liner is. I love the color pigment of this product. It's so good. The color payoff is so beautiful. It's exactly what the name says. It's a tattoo like finish. I am someone who likes to put the liquid liners more because they are very easy to apply. But this particular one, I love it. I enjoy using it because of the tip. It's so precise and it's great if you like to put wing liners. You should definitely try out this product. The next two products that we have is a kohl pencil, and I am in love with this kohl pencil. These are from K Beauty. I love the packaging. First of all, it comes in a roll-on packaging, so you don't need to carry a separate sharpener to sharpen the pencil. I love the formula. They are so pigmented. Particular one glides so beautifully. This is the brown shade. I've stopped using black kohl pencils on myself and I've started using brown kohl pencils because how beautiful they look on Indian skin tones. I don't know, this is such an underrated product, but do try it out. Brown kohl pencils look so beautiful on Indian eyes. They just makes your eyes look more bigger, and I love the illusion of this particular one. I've today also applied it as a liner and look how beautiful it just looks. I mean, I love the product and it's just for these two double nine. I mean, it's a great one. You try it once, you will fall in love. And in this only particular shade, I love to put the teal color also. This one is also one of the beautiful shades for the brown skin tones. I love how this beautifully glides. I love how this looks on my skin tone. This particular blue is not too gaudy. What I mean to say gaudy is not too loud. If you don't know how to put a good eyeshadow and if you invest in such colorful kohl pencils, you can easily create or draw a good liner with this and your eyes will look so beautiful. Definitely check out this one. Let's move on to the next product. We have again a viral product. Alia Bhatt loves to put this lip oil. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Plump Ambition Hyaluron Lip Oil. It's in the shade Rouge in Love. I love the color. Starting में I was very scared to be honest because I don't apply such colors on my skin tone because I feel it just makes you look so uh, so loud and so much more, and I'm a very nude lip girly. I don't prefer applying such reds pinks tone on my skin tone. This is just my personal choice. But as soon as I saw this color, I was like, I just need to give it a try. And oh my god, I am in love with this product. It looks so beautiful on brown skin tone. It has this little sheer pink tint. It really makes your lips look more plumper. I especially like to use it before I'm doing any glam makeup look. I just put it before half an hour and it just gives me that plumper effect that my lips need. I love the product. This one you can definitely check out. It's a very good product, and if you are willing to buy some good lip oils for your lips, this one is what you need. The next product is the Madras Kapi. I don't have the product right now. I don't know how, but I lost that lipstick. But it's one of my favorite lipsticks. I have reordered during the sale and it's on a very great discount price. So I will highly recommend you to buy that one. It's from the Nykaa. It's in the shade Madras Kapi. I love the shade. It's just so good. It's a liquid lipstick, yet it does not makes my lips dry at all. I literally use it every single day. This is that shade that every girl needs to have in their vanity. If you are willing to buy a good nude lipsticks for yourself, go and check out that one because it's fabulous. And lastly, we have a lip gloss. This is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss, and oh my god, I love this gloss. It's in the shade Topaz. I have applied it right now as well. I love the gloss. I love the shine. I love the glaze. In spite of being a lip gloss, it is not at all sticky. I love how it just complements my skin tone. I have not used any lipstick. I have just lined my lips and I've directly applied this gloss. And look how beautifully this looks. I love the shine of this gloss. Not too chunky, but a perfect amount of shine that your lips need. If you are a college going girl, you will love this gloss. So go and check out because this also has a great price discount. And yeah, with that, we come towards the end of this video. I hope this video was helpful to you all. I hope all my recommendations were helpful. And I will link everything in the description box below so you can check out for yourself. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.